this class was really good for me. I feel like it was a balance of the theory and the practical, the hands-on. I do feel very comfortable in what I've learned. I feel comfortable enough to go home and practice and to continue to practice what she's taught me. And my model was very happy with how her lashes came out. And I have everything that I need to go and, you know, do more clients. So thank you, Shayna, so much for everything that you did. I love the class. It was great. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank